Hey guys, how are y'all doing today? I'm doing well. I actually just filmed an unboxing and now we are doing another one. I was on Instagram scrolling as one does and it was around Black Friday and this makeup company came up that I had never seen or heard of before, and it is KimChi Chic Beauty. I was like, okay, let's check it out. And they were having a huge Black Friday sale. So your girl bought up a lot of stuff on the website. And when I bought enough that I was like, let's do a video on this because it'd be fun. This is gonna be fun. This is not like sponsored or anything. I bought all this with my own money. Black Friday shopping. I am gonna be unboxing this today and then I'm gonna do my makeup with it when I'm not wearing makeup because I don't feel like taking it off. Plus it's really late. So it came in a box like these. I haven't seen inside yet. I see pink. I literally only opened it with scissors so that I wouldn't struggle opening it. Oh, cute. No, it's a croc charm. What are they called? Giblets, something, crocs. Anyway, it's one of them. Oh, cute. Then there is a donut. Is it a sticker? It has words. Yes, this is founded by KimChi. I just stumbled upon your brand and I like the aesthetic. I like the vibes. So I ordered it. Oh, it's available at Ulta now? Oh, I did not realize that. I will have to look at Ulta. Everything is bubble wrapped and it had pink paper over it. Now, what I really liked when I was looking at their website is they had a lot of nude lipsticks, which is right up my alley. And that is what I got a lot of, friends. We got a lot of them. We got a lot of stuff to go through and I'm happy with all of it. We have got a foundation. The packaging is cute too. This is in the shade 107L, and then we've got, this is a glazed, I think this is like a dual eyeshadow thing. We've got a blush, is in the shade Vacation. These are 3 lipsticks. This is in the shade Milky Buns, Honey Buns, and Cafe Au Lait. I butchered that, I'm sure. And then we've got 2 lip liners. It has 11 and 12 on the bottom. I don't know if these have a shade. When I get to opening them, I will let y'all know. And then I got a pair of lashes. I'll open it up, and if you guys want me to do like a full foundation review on it, like a wear test, I can. Where did my scissors go? Aha! I have just an old pair of scissors. And the little stickers on them are little bears. That's really cute. Oh, inside the packaging it's like a bright yellow. It's yellow. Oh my gosh, look at the packaging. It's cute. It's like a frosted glass with like a pink top, and the top is a heart. Oh my god, it's cute. This packaging is literally everything. Don't know if the shade is gonna match me. It looks, I don't know. I mean, we'll find out another day. I'm not putting it on today. The packaging is a complete 10 out of 10. I am a big fan. And it's called A Really Good Foundation. And it is, I think it said medium to full coverage. I do not know. Also, I got all this stuff at a Black Friday sale. We have, this is the eyeshadow duo. Okay. So it's in a little, this is gonna be so good for travel. You just open her up, boom, bop, boobity bam, and it's just like a little, like a matte shade, and then there is a sparkler. I was trying to make sure I'm not swatching right beside it. You know, colors. The sparkly color has a lot of like loose, like, it looks like fairy dust. I don't know if it's picking that up on camera, but it looks like fairy dust to me. Now I'm gonna do the blush, which was bubble wrapped. The rest of everything was not. And this is in the shade Vacation. Oh my god, it looks like it's, oh my god, look at it. It's like a Polly Pocket thing. Like it, I don't know what they're called. They're just like, you know what I'm talking about? Yeah, you know. Okay, here's the blush. I just also noticed that there's a mirror in the blush. Look, hi, it's you guys. Oh my god, and it fits really well in your hand. It's like, I feel like totally spies. I'm like, alright, take 2. Here's the lashes. I am not going to take these out because I'm not going to put them on today. I have been on a journey trying to find lashes that I love because Kiss had lashes called You Do You. And then they changed the formula of them and it has literally been the worst thing in my life. These are like the reigning champs at the moment. These are by Black Moon Cosmetics and they're in the shade, or in the style Cancer. Zodiac collection, which I'm a Cancer. They're pretty like wispy on the ends, and these bad boys are fluffy. I think I'm gonna like them. They're giving like anime vibes, and they're really big. It looks like they're gonna be bigger than the ones I've been wearing, so I am a fan already. I hope that I can wear these with my glasses. Here's the lip liners. I've got 2 lip liners here. This one is in 12 and it's Almond. This one is in 11 and it is Toast. Do Toast first. I've already wiped some of the eyeshadow off. Alright, so here's Toast. So very creamy. Like I could feel how creamy it was going on. This next one is Almond. We're gonna do it right under Toast. Oh my gosh, yeah, that one's gonna be my favorite. They're like so close in shade. Toast is like just a little bit more warm toned than Almond. On my lips today, I'm literally just wearing whatever this is. Celebrity Skin by Jeffree Star. I just grabbed something. And then, friends, we have our last, so we have lipsticks, and these are all nude shades, and it looks like we have like a neutral cool toned, a pinky, and like maybe a warm one. How do you open these? How do you open it? What happened? I am apparently dumb. Okay, let me put this back. So there is a button on top, and I pushed it and it just shot out into the floor. I've never in my 29 years of life seen that, and I don't know how I feel about it. So this is gonna be Milky Buns. Here's what she looks like. I do believe them. I wanted to see if I could smell them. I cannot. I think this one's gonna be my favorite because it looks like a cool tone nude, which is my vibe. On the lipstick it has their logo. It's like 1 thumb tall. Americans will use anything. Here's this bad boy right here. This is Milky Buns. Warmer than I thought it'd be, but I also don't have my glasses on. I will push. First one was Milky Buns. This one is Honey Buns. Now that we've learned our lesson, we hold the lipstick, click the button, and it shoots out. This one looks the same. Okay, does it swatch the same? Oh, it's lighter. It's pretty close though, for real. Third one is whatever this is. I don't know how to say that, and I don't want to butcher it. Oh, this one's cute, 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 cute. Is this the one that was more pinkish? Unsure. Let's swatch her up. And oh yeah, this one I think is more pinky. It's lighter. Oh yeah, this one's more pinkish. They felt like really velvety smooth when I was swatching them. So that's a whole vibe. Alright, friends, I think I got everything. We have got the foundation. We have got the eyeshadow. We have got the Polly Pocket blush duo that I can't open. Now I can't. The lip liners, the lashes, and then we have got all 3 of these lipsticks. On another day when I don't have anything on my face, we are going to try all this stuff out. We're going to try out the KimChi Chic Beauty. I've moisturized and I used this primer by Lower East Side. It's the matte face primer. I got it in my Ipsy bag. It's very comparable to the e.l.f. Poreless Putty primer. Go ahead and give the foundation a little shaky shake. Oh, it's new, so it's going to take a little bit. Oh. This is in the shade 107L. I prefer to put foundation on with a brush. When I do like a full foundation review, I'll do a brush and a makeup sponge, but I'm just gonna be putting this on. My skin is so weird. It's like really pink, like on my face, but my neck is really yellow, and you're really supposed to match your foundation to your body. Foundation is really, it's like runny, but also not. I don't know how to explain that. I'm so freaking blind. I was gonna put my contacts in so I could actually see when I was doing this, but then I didn't feel like it, so here we are. This shade match I think is good. Foundation is looking good. It's got a very nice coverage and it's got a very nice finish. It's like kind of like a dewy satiny, I feel like. I don't remember what it's supposed to be, if it's supposed to be matte. It just says a really good foundation. So far it is. I don't know how it's looking on camera, but in person this foundation is like looking better than any foundation I own so far. Like I feel like it blends like really well. Next I'm gonna try out the eyeshadow and this blush. This little duo has a matte and a shimmer, so I was thinking like I could put the matte up here and then cut the crease and do a shimmer. So this is the lash primer I have. It's by KimChi Cosmetics, and I'm just gonna put that on. That's a good eyeshadow primer. It's like really tacky base, and I really like that. I've got my little fluffy brush. I'm just gonna go in with this matte shade, and we are gonna take it and put it right here. It's not very forgiving blending wise, but that's fine. Ooh, girl. I can't tell if it's because it's pigmented or what, but I feel like it's very streaky when I'm blending. So I've got my concealer and a little concealer brush right here. So I've put concealer on the shape of my eye where I'm going to put the shimmer shade. And here's a clean, just e.l.f. eyeshadow brush. I can't tell what this color reminds me of, but it reminds me of something. So here's the eyeshadow colors. I feel like they're very nice. They complement each other very well, I think. Alright guys, here's the eyeshadow. The matte shade was a bit hard to blend out, but so I thought next up I could try out the blush. So this is the one that comes in like this Polly Pocket looking thing. It is super cute. So I'm just gonna kind of like take the colors and just kind of make a mess.
Okay, well, I like you doing a video though.
Yeah, I'm doing a video though.
What? Oh, this chicken on me. Oh, mine right there.
Oh my god.
Pink, yellow, orange, and green.
So I think mixing them together was the wrong call. I'm really liking this color over here, so I'm like, maybe I should have done that. I look so stupid. This is more pigmented than I thought it was gonna be. I could take this powder brush though and I can try my best to blend it in some more maybe. I did my eyeliner and everything. All that's left to try are lipstick and lashes. So I just took the lashes out of the box. Here they are. I am going to trim them. Usually they come like with the band a little bit longer than most people's eyes. So I trim them like from the longer side so they will fit my eyeballs. Oh my god, look at how big and fluffy those are. I'm definitely gonna need to trim them because they are freaking poking my inner corner like super bad. I like to let the glue sit on the lashes for like 30 seconds so they get a little bit tacky. Oh my god, it's bothering me. I have this side glued more this way and this side more so they don't look even. I like how this side looks better though. Every day I find new ways to just annoy myself. I took this lash off and reapplied it. I'm not sure if I fixed it or made it worse. I still feel like this one's laying better. They're very pretty. I really like them. They're big. So the lip liner I'm using is the shade Almond. Okay, big fan. Alrighty, I'm gonna go ahead and do the shade Honey Buns. We're gonna try that one out with this combo. So this is Honey Buns and Almond. So here is all of the makeup on that we've used today. Okay. So let me give you guys my thoughts. The foundation, that's definitely going to be in, I think this might actually be my everyday foundation for a while. The skin match or like the shade match is just great. It feels so freaking comfortable. I'm a big fan of the foundation. Foundation I think is actually my favorite thing I've gotten. Eyeshadow. I do like it. I think it'll be great for travel and leaving in my like work makeup, like putting it in a little makeup bag and having for work. I think that would be good for it since it's small and compact. It's not my favorite shade. I might look on there and see what other shades they have. I do like the shimmer. When I was putting it on, I think it's on this eye. I did notice a little bit of fallout like right here with the shimmer, but it honestly kind of looks a little unintentional. Like it's not. I don't care. The blush. Big disappointed in the blush. It's just too pink. I've been looking for a blush for a while now that is kind of like this color. And maybe because I mixed them, I can try like, hold on. Okay, yeah. I really like this shade. I'm looking for a blush that's... maybe I just need to be using bronzer as blush. Actually, that's not a bad idea. Let me just... This is the same blush I use my bronzer. Let me just kind of like go over this and see if it tones it down. I don't know. It looks the same to me. So the blush is probably my least favorite thing. And it's what I was excited about the most, I think. The lashes, absolute... I mean, I'm quite impressed with them. I really, really like how wispy they are. Like, I don't know, they're giving anime lashes, and I like how long and thick they are too. I think they're really, really pretty. They don't feel too bad. I think this one I have glued down. I had to take it off and re-glue it, so I have it glued kind of weird, but this one went on like perfect. This one's like 10 out of 10. This one's like 3 out of 10. So the lashes, this pair I really like. And then the lips. I really like the lip liner a lot. The shade Honey Buns. I don't know how I'm feeling about it. There's the cafe. Yeah, let me put this cafe one over real quick. Maybe I'll like that one more. I don't know how to pronounce this because it's like in French. I'm just going to keep putting it on the screen because I don't know. I like that one a lot more than the Honey Buns one I tried. I really like the lip liner I used, Almond. I have a habit of taking lip liner, lining my lips, and then filling my lips in with the liner and wearing it as lipstick. And I think I honestly might do that like with the liner because I really, really like it. It's really, really pretty liner color. Combo is nice. This is a good nude lip color. Like this is, I feel good. This is good. Foundation, 10 out of 10. Eyeshadow, like a 7 out of 10. Blush, like a 3 or 4 out of 10. The liner, 10 out of 10. And then the lipsticks, 9 out of 10. I didn't comment on the consistency of the lipstick either. It's very comfortable. It's like a creamy velvety feel. It feels very comfortable. Of course, this is just like a first impressions. I don't know how this is gonna be like while I'm eating or when I'm out and about doing whatever. Like I don't know how long everything's gonna last. This is just a play with makeup. I haven't done a full face of makeup like this in God knows how long. This has been a lot of fun. I hope you guys like this. I might actually get on their website and look at more stuff because I know that they had some more eyeshadows than they had like palettes and stuff. So I might look at that. Sorry I keep looking at myself in the viewfinder. I actually can't see at all. Like my vision's, I think it's getting worse. So I can't really see and I'm just desperately trying to cling on to seeing something. I meant to put my contacts in before I did this video, but I just didn't get around to that. I wanted to add real quick, if you are a glasses wearer like myself, these are like really, really comfortable. As big and long as these eyelashes are, I thought they would be like really uncomfy with my glasses. I wasn't even paying attention. I just literally needed to see and I had my glasses on and I've just been hanging out for a couple hours and I was like, oh my gosh, I'm wearing these big honking lashes with my eye glasses and they're not like hitting my glasses. You know how when you're wearing like big lashes sometimes like they're hitting on your glasses? They're not. They're like, I just wanted to throw that in there for any of my glasses wearing peeps. I like the lashes even more now. This is kind of spontaneous. It's like 9 o'clock at night. What do I think about KimChi Chic?
Hey! Who made this kimchi? Who made this kimchi?
I really like this brand. I like the packaging. The prices were really good and the quality of the makeup is really good too. I am pretty happy with everything. I feel like I look really good. I like the tones of everything. I'm really glad I got these and like I said, I'll definitely be getting on their website and looking into more of their stuff. I don't know if this video will be up before New Year's or not, but if it's not, Happy New Year. I hope 2026 is good to all of you guys. I hope it's good to us. Good vibes all around. 2025 has been a good year. It's been a crazy year. I had a baby, bought a house, sold a house. I've had a lot going on this year, so I hope next year will be more settled and like it'll be just good vibes. I hope you all have a great rest of your day and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!